In today's video, we'll show you how to quickly create a summary table that can unlock valuable insights from your data. Not only will we walk you through the code step by step, but we'll also highlight the significance of this table. Let's start by introducing our data. We have a dataset called DF that contains various variables related to a study. These variables include rep, priming, ABA, APX, pod, and pH. We load this data into R and stored it in an object called DF. Our goal is to create a summary table that showcases the mean and standard error for specific variables within each priming category. To get started, we need to choose the variables we want to summarize. In this case, we've selected ABA, APX, pod, and pH. Now, let's initialize an empty list called summary_list to store our summary results. This list will be crucial as we progress through the analysis. Here comes the heart of our analysis. We're going to calculate the mean and standard error for each selected variable grouped by the priming category. This is where the magic happens. We loop through each selected variable and create a summary table for it. This summary table contains the mean value and the standard error, both calculated within their respective priming groups. To ensure clarity, we rename the columns to match the variable name. This will make it easier to identify which variable each table represents. After creating each summary table, we add it to our summary_list. This list will ultimately contain all our summary results. Now that we have our summary results, it's time to make them visually appealing and easy to interpret. This step involves merging the mean and standard error values into a single column. We create an empty list called formatted_summary to store our formatted results. This is where we'll enhance the clarity of our tables. We loop through each element in the summary_list, and for each table, we merge the mean and standard error values into a single column, separated by a ± sign. To keep our tables clean, we remove the original variables containing mean, standard error, and merged columns, leaving us with the essential information. Finally, we ensure that our variable names are free from any merged column suffix. With our individual tables looking sleek and informative, it's time to combine them into a single, comprehensive summary table. We used IMAP function to iterate through the elements of formatted summary list to exclude the first column. Then we used the bind_calls function to merge the tables from combined summary list. This ensures that our final table remains organized and easy to read. We're going to use the powerful Flexible package to create the final table that can be compiled to Microsoft Word file. We're adjusting column widths, highlighting the header, and even adding a caption to make it clear and visually appealing. This table provides a comprehensive overview of the summary of the data. Next, navigate to the Compile Report icon and select Microsoft Word from the drop-down menu. Simply click the Compile button, and it will generate the table within your MS Word document. And there you have it, our beautifully crafted summary table. But why is it so important, you might ask? In many research publications, it's common to present mean and standard error values in tabular format. To simplify this process within R, we've developed an effortless and efficient method, and it's not limited to just this dataset. You can use the same code structure for other datasets by simply changing the variable name you want to summarize. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more data analysis tutorials. And as always, if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy data analysis!